Hello kids. Let's learn how to draw shapes and color names. These are our shapes. These are our shapes and these are our colors. These are our colors. These are our colors. These are our colors. It is yellow color. Which color kids? It is yellow color. Red color. It is red color. Kids, which color it is? Red color. It is violet color. Kids, which color it is? Kids, which color it is? Violet color. It is purple color. Which color kids? It is purple color. It is green color. Kids, which color it is? Green color. It is orange color. Kids, which color it is? Orange color. Let us draw these shapes. This is black color. This shape is half circle or semicircle. Kids, which shape it is? It is half circle or semicircle. It is cylinder. Kids, which shape it is? It is cylinder. It is pentagon. Kids, which shape it is? Pentagon. Kids, which shape it is? It is cuboid. It is cuboid. Kids, which shape it is? It is teardrop. It is circle. Kids, which shape it is? It is circle. Let us color these shapes. Orange color. Which color, kid? It is orange color. Which shape it is, kids? It is half circle or semicircle. It is yellow color. Kids, which color it is? Yellow color. It is cylinder. Kids, which shape it is? It is cylinder. Red color. Kids, which color it is? Red color. This shape is pentagon. Kids, which shape it is? Pentagon. It is violet color. Kids, which color it is? It is violet color. This shape is cuboid. Kids, which shape it is? It is cuboid. It is purple color. Kids, which color it is? Purple color. Kids, which shape it is? It is teardrop. It is teardrop. It is green color. Kids, which color it is? Green color. Which shape it is, kids? It is circle. It is circle. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. This is half circle or semicircle, orange color, cylinder, yellow color, pentagon, red color, cuboid, violet color, teardrop, purple color, circle, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.